at the moment.
昨天晚上哦，要喝饮料，来喝饮料。
We are at Ross Creek. So it's like a little stream. So we are currently at Ross Creek and it's our first time being here. Wish, is she doing a poo? Unfortunately, it's been raining today and it's quite wet. Yeah, hopefully it's supposed to stop raining later. Hopefully it does stop raining.
Wait. Dance monkey.
Okay, Dance Monkey from YouTube Music, playing on Living Room TV.
What's Dance Monkey?
You will know. Oh, that smells so good. That's the instant noodle smell.
And what we have here is gomtang, Korean noodles with soup base. Where's it made? It's in Korea. I wonder what it's like Chinese.
Hey, I can put some meat. So that one is for you. Hey Google, shut up. Yes, shut up.
But she doesn't say anything.
Okay Google, why you didn't say anything?
I'm here, I'm here.
Okay Google, turn the television off. Okay Google, turn the television off.
Alright, turning off the living room TV.
Last walk with Bella before going back. Okay, so I stopped off at Oamaru. So I just got some McDonald's. We've got a McFlurry, fries, McChicken, and chicken nuggets. And I'm just gonna like eat and drive. So yeah, did I say I'm in Oamaru? Right, anyway, I'm in Oamaru, and then I might stop off either in Timaru or Ashburton just for another like toilet break and maybe more food, not sure. This is my dinner. I'm gonna eat and drive, and yeah, hopefully we'll be back by 9 o'clock. Yep, let's go. They have this Christmas tree. So I'm just stopping off in Ashburton at the moment. There's like no one here.